Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I feel like I'm like yelling because you're so far away. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm so sweaty. Why am I so sweaty? So I can't get over it. Today I'm gonna do a little nighttime routine for you guys because I weirdly a lot work out on the weekdays at night. I go to like a boxing class. I go to Rumble in Chicago. We started this like tradish, which is short for tradition, where me and a couple of my girlfriends go on Tuesday nights. And so I actually went last night, which was Tuesday, and I signed up for like a month membership because we leave for Europe in a month. And I just know that like I'm not gonna give a flying when I'm gone. So I just wanted to go to Rumble more before I'm not gonna be able to do for a little bit. Now I'm on a tangent. So anyway, the reason I went to do a nighttime routine is because you guys see me go out a lot. You see me get ready to go out a lot. I don't do that every day, obviously, or else I wouldn't be alive. Kind of typical weekday nighttime routine. Obviously, like some things are different. Like I have a lot of like tidying up to do tonight. I feel like I'm always like tidying up in the afternoon. So it's like 5:30 right now. I went to class at 4:30 and I like to do these things obviously after I shower because I don't want to touch anything with sweat because that's disgusting. Went to Abercrombie and Fitch, so I'll show you guys that. Even the handles of the bag are sweaty. And honestly, you're probably not enjoying looking at me like this, so I'm gonna shower really quick. An hour later, the lighting is like all weird because there's a tornado warning right now, obviously. Whew, I'm sweating. You know, you're like still sweating after a workout. It's honestly been like an hour though because I like showered and then I sat on my phone. I like put Luxe Unfiltered on everywhere. All I did was the way, because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, because it's literally brown, and that's not fun for hot girl summer, even though it's like trending with Gen Z. Okay, so I just put my laundry away. I'm gonna show you what I got. My friends are obsessed with Abercrombie and Fitch. You know, they're like different now. So I got this, and I feel like it looks like really like it'd be short and cute and like you'd feel like super cute in it. It has like a low back. So I'm not gonna try it on because I put on self tanner, but I just wanted to show you guys. So if I end up keeping it, you'll see it on Instagram. My friends also said that online Abercrombie and Fitch is better and now they just do their returns in stores. So this was me retaking my Abercrombie and Fitch virginity since it became popular again. And I'm really excited about it. And then this I thought was really cute because I basically have like little brother's graduation, like grandma's birthday, like stuff like that. And I just like didn't want to go to Reformation and like overspend. Abercrombie's not like cheap, but it's definitely like on the better end of things. And so this is really cute because I'm really, really into strapless for the summer. Oh, okay, so I had to tie it in the back. I was like, why is it like that? So it's basically this like strapless, long white dress, kind of like Hailey Bieber vibes from whatever that red carpet was, you know what I mean? Hers was silk, but like I don't like need silk, I'm not getting married. So I thought this was really cute with like a kind of like a low bun. She did like a low braid. I was like, okay, go off. And all my friends are getting married, so I can never really wear white. So I was like, maybe I'll like wear it for my little brother's graduation. I don't know. Hopefully they look cute on. They look really cute on the hanger. So I'm gonna put away my laundry and put my sheets on my bed, and then I'm going to prep dinner. Yes. This is so cute. This needs to go in the dirty clothes because yuck. Okay, so for dinner, since I decided I'm staying in Chicago, I need to like kind of rebuild my kitchen a little bit because I don't have like literally almost anything. Not that I need a ton more, but I just don't even have like vinegar or anything. And my mom made me this like really yummy like rice like salad almost. So I took a picture of like the vinegars that she used, and I'm gonna kind of like do my own spin on it tonight, then just kind of like keep it in the fridge because it tastes really good cold, because she just like packed it in a little Tupperware and we ate it on the beach. But I can't steal her recipes or she'd kill me, so I get inspired by them. I also need these. I also grabbed snacks while I was there. I got my nails done today and then walked to Whole Foods. Clearly this needs to be organized. And you just close it really fast. So I kind of take these at different times throughout the day depending on my day, but like during the week I'll do it at night. Like these ones I usually do like in more of like a morning setting. This is my CYMBIOTIKA stuff. I mentioned it in the last vlog. It's in the little like containers. I showed you guys that I got them because I like kind of pull them out so frequently and I just wanted them out of the pantry, out of the disaster, and obviously wanted to start organizing in general. This is the activated charcoal. May improve inflammation, obviously kind of help you release toxins from your body, supports your digestive system. So when you take it daily, it can assist with longevity and overall nutritional support just so you can thrive. They each have like a flavor. This one's organic lemon. This brand I'm just like so impressed by. And then this is their super greens, their vitamin C, and their magnesium. Magnesium, I always tell you guys, is not nearly in what it should be in our diets. So taking a magnesium supplement, I feel, is very, very important. For me, what I take it for is kind of the nervous system benefits that it may help with, like reducing stress, calming you down, helping you get better sleep. If you wear an Oura ring, I'm sure you'll notice better sleep with this. You guys know I'm a geek. This was literally developed by a team of scientists at MIT. So it's like, they're just like an extremely impressive brand. And obviously magnesium is really good for your brain as well. And this goes directly to your brain to improve its function, increase memory, just overall like really, really good. Obviously you guys know what you need vitamin C for, especially like when I'm like out and about now without a mask. I find that I have a very weak immune system, so this is like the easiest way for me to actually get amazing vitamin C. I need really good vitamin C, and like this is why I'm like, it's literally on my counter. And then if you're someone that's really into greens like me, this supports detoxification on a cellular level, boosts energy level, great for a healthy immune system. You guys will absolutely love their products, and this is why I love them. This one tastes like vanilla, so I literally just do that. It's so freaking easy. But you can also get like fancy and like make like a smoothie or a drink or something with it. Like it tastes good, like I was shocked. You guys can use my code Lauren15. Do I have it all over my face now? Lauren15 when you shop on their website. If you're into wellness stuff and like little wellness hacks, so check out their website. I'll link everything that I love down below. Use code Lauren15. Now I need to do dinner, even though like sometimes I don't feel like cooking, but I actually don't always like the taste of, you know, door dashing things. So I don't have regular rice. I only have white rice. Kind of wanted regular rice, but then I got sidetracked. I bought rice. Did I put it in the fridge? Well, something just fell in my fridge and I don't know where the rice went that I bought. What the heck? No. I have no idea what happened to the rice that I bought, but wait, maybe this is the rice I bought. You guys know how I do air fryer chicken pretty much by now. Olive oil, lemon, green goddess seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. I do like a little bit more of like a fun marinade when I'm doing grilling chicken, because usually I'm having like friends over or something too. So I'll do like actual like fresh crushed garlic and like some more fresh herbs and stuff like that. But yeah, we have no one to impress right now. So we're gonna do the easiest, cheapest way to do this. Aluminum foil in the air fryer for easy, lazy cleanup. And I'll be back. So I'm making this up as I go, kind of. Since spinach is like all different sizes and spinach is just like really good for you, I wanna be able to put it in the salad, but like kind of like cut it up, right? So I got this bunch of spinach instead. I'm gonna cut like the bunch in really thin slices. Just gonna chop up the spinach essentially. I thought it would be easier if I got the bunch. I don't know, maybe I was wrong. Champagne vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, and organic rice vinegar. That's kind of like reminds me of bad tequila. Interesting. We'll see. The rice is garlic herb. There's just like a lot of things going on right now, honestly. Chickpeas, just drain, microwave. I'm gonna mix it all in this and then put it in this because I'm a genius. Whenever I make a full pouch of the white rice, it's always has a little bit too much water, so I have to remember that. I just got like a little too tired to like keep trying, so I decided to quit while I was ahead because I was like, it's good. Like, it's not great, but it's good. I'm tired and hungry now, and it's just like, it is what it is. So there's no recipe yet, but like we're on the right track for something, and we'll be fed tonight, so. I literally just went downstairs to get my boxes. I knew this was in there, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, and they're all large, and there was no carts. Not that I ever want to use one because then you have to go back downstairs. Came up with this technique a couple days ago where you just kind of kick all the boxes to the elevator. You hope that someone offers to help you on the way so that by the time you get to your floor and there's no one around, you start chucking them out of the elevator and then you kick them all the way down the hallway. I got the Celsius variety pack. I put the camera a little higher just because it gets annoying with like my address, sorry. So basically when something is my last name, I know I ordered it, and when it's my middle name, I know it's PR. So for a second I got excited because I was like, oh my God, I got this PR package from Lux Unfiltered. Forgot that I ordered something. That's neither here nor there. Okay, so if you have someone getting married, I saw it on Instagram. It's the Lux Unfiltered. It says something tan. It opens like a book. It has like a whole little info sheet, and it has their hydrating self-tanning cream, conditioning body cream, and blurring body glow. And I'm so upset because I haven't even bought the blurring body glow yet. It's like, it's not just like, oh, here's self-tanner. It's like, look at this gorgeousness, you know? So I got that for her. And honestly, this is a part of my nighttime routine because when you live in a building and there's just like different carriers coming all day, mostly like all your packages arrive by end of day. So I usually open things at night because that's the time I get all the emails that they're here. I literally was just looking for my phone. There you are. So do you guys remember me talking about this and that I really, really like it? Well, Amazon like saw me buying like
I'm having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
I forgot that that's her name. Does anyone remember me liking this a lot? Because I think Claudia got me onto it and it came up on my A account while I am ordering a glass pitcher to be able to start making iced tea and stuff. So I guess I will do that. I remember really liking this. Oh, it's so cute. So it definitely doesn't hold a lot, but freaking cute. This is honestly good for like a cocktail or something, because then you don't have to like make a ton if you have a few girlfriends over. I thought it was really cute. I did know it was gonna be skinny. I have a very, very small fridge, so I don't really have room for anything like big, because my friends call it my mini fridge or my play toy fridge. So this is actually like the size that I needed, and now my back hurts and I had to take all of this trash out. Okay, so the apartment is clean after everything. The dishwasher is running. The sirens are blaring. There's not even a box besides that one, so that I bring it to my friend tomorrow. It's gorgeous, gorgeous girls outside. I was watching Married at First Sight. Okay, so I just spent a gorgeous, I don't know, like 30 minutes on TikTok. And I'm gonna grab M&Ms. I also was on the phone, so I've been gone for a minute. Turn off the lights and oh my God, literally the sirens are just like out of control. And I make sure I bring a big water to bed, and I usually refill it probably like 3 more times before actually falling asleep, because I do watch a little bit of TV. Oh my God, I keep my Kindle on my bedside table, because if I like really can't fall asleep, I'll transfer to that. But otherwise I kind of like read outside during the day and stuff when it's warmer out. So I like to kind of just catch up on TV, because I feel weird watching TV during the day. Like it just like doesn't feel right. I think when you like work from home and your TV's just like there, you just like really feel like you're not at a real job if you turn on the TV. Put on my SkinCeuticals Age and Blemish serum, and then I put on Lux Unfiltered. Oh my God, I can't stop yawning. I think because I'm talking. Okay, so obviously did these, and then I let them kind of like sit in my skin for a while, because I did that after the shower. But since like now I'm actually going to bed, I just layer on a few more things, because I like to let the kind of like self-tanner like. I'm gonna put on this hydrating night cream from, I say from Amazon, because that's like where I order it from. I do like way too generous of an amount. And then I'm gonna take this Biba eye cream. It's kind of like a little pump. I believe in eye cream. I know some people don't, but I think that's just because I saw that on TikTok. Then take Vaseline and I just slug it on there. And I also can't do this until I'm like really going to bed, because I can like feel it and I hate the feeling. And I get like really, really dry like in the corner of my eyes. So this really helps with that a lot. I don't do like my whole face, but I do like a good amount. And I weirdly get dry like right there. So I do it there too. And I haven't done this in a while, hence why I have that. So I just keep the skincare really, really simple. You can see that, you see that. And I showed you guys this in the last vlog, but basically this one comes down all the way and this one goes to there. So you kind of get rid of all the city lights, but you let the natural sunlight come in the bottom. Gonna do my Necessaire hand cream. I haven't done foot cream in a while, but I think it's just because like it's not winter. I don't have like crazy dry feet, but I especially do hand cream when I get a manicure because you like soak in the acetone, and then also like I pick out my cuticles, and this, if I do this for the first like week, it kind of like gets me through the second one because my cuticles don't look as bad. So I got this really cute little, I've always wanted to try these. They're for like traveling. I thought you could like stack them like different ways, but I guess they only stack on the sides. So like if you just had like this amount, you can use them for pills or serums or shampoo, but it's basically for traveling, and I just put lotion on so I can't open it for you, but really cool because it has the days of the week on there, and I could put like my nighttime medicine in each one. So I'm gonna do that, but I haven't gotten to it yet. So that's pretty much like a weekday night. I try to spend like at least a few days out of the week just at home, like by myself, like not having to kind of like entertain anyone or go over to anyone's place, like at least 2 or 3 times a week, because the other nights of the week I will have dinner with family and dinner with friends. Notice that if I have like 2 days where I have to myself, I'm totally fine. But if I have like more than that in Chicago, I'm like, what's going on? There's nothing to do this week. So I've definitely gotten used to it. Which is why like my night routine is like pretty boring. It's just a lot of like cooking and then cleaning and watching TV for like hours on end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to tune into the podcast, shop the merch. It's my favorite job yet. And I will see you guys in the next video.